Is your T-Mobile FamilyWhere app failing to track locations? The most common issue is incorrect location permissions. The app needs GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular data access. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then FamilyWhere. Tap Permissions. Set location to allow all the time. On iOS, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, then FamilyWhere. Select Always, enable precise location. Enable background app refresh. If issues persist, toggle location services off and on to refresh permissions. If location permissions are set correctly, but the app isn't syncing, start by ensuring your device has a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, open the FamilyWhere app and check that auto sync is enabled in the settings menu. Battery saving modes can block background processes. Disable them specifically for the FamilyWhere app to allow continuous syncing. If issues persist, clear the app's cache by going to Settings, Apps, FamilyWhere, Storage, and selecting Clear Cache. Force Stop the FamilyWhere app from the device settings, and then restart it to refresh the connection. As a final troubleshooting step, uninstall the FamilyWhere app and reinstall it from the App Store. Verify that all family members' devices are properly linked through the T-Mobile website or app. Keep in mind that compatibility issues with VPNs or firewalls can also interfere with the app's syncing capabilities.